Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add language switcher on Shopify. So, first is head over to admin.shopify.com, and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left side, click on Settings, then look for Languages, click on it, and from here, we're just going to start adding a language. And from here, just select a language that you want to add and proceed by clicking on next. So we're just going to assign this language to this domain. Make sure that you toggle this on, then click on done. And from our added language, we're just going to click on translate, then click on translate and adapt. So from here, you can customize settings about this language. Then once done, just click on auto translate, then click on translate. As you can see, this process will take time, and you should receive an email to your email address when the translation is complete. So, assuming that the process is done, you can now head back to settings and once again click on languages, select on the language that you added, then click on the three dot icon beside it, then click on publish. Proceed by clicking on publish. And if we view our store, you can see here that a language switcher has now been added. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!